Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer money to stake from Binance. So first up here, going to open your browser and go to your Binance account and stake account. And make sure that you fully verified your account on Binance and stake account. Now here on Binance, what you're going to do here once you log in with your Binance account, as you can see here, so you just need to click on the wallet icon and then click on overview. So here on overview, you just need to click on the withdraw button right there at the top right. And basically it will show you this page right here. And as you can see here, you'll find this withdraw crypto. So basically, if you don't see this option, you're going to click on the withdraw crypto button instead of withdraw fiat. So once you click on withdraw and then withdraw crypto, then you'll find this page. So you just need to select your coin, for example, this BTC coin, and you have to enter the stake address. Now to get the stake address, go to your stake account. So basically open your stake account and again, make sure to verify it with your account. Now once you deposit your account on stake, and you can go to the profile icon and then you just need to click on the transactions right from here. And then you will find an option which says here receive. So if you're going to click on the receive button, then you will get your stake address. So once you get your stake address, you just have to copy that address and go back to your Binance account. Okay. And then you have to paste that address right from here. And you can also select the network, for example, this BTC. And once done, you can see you can now transfer money from Binance to your stake. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.